Hello, in front of me there's Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Google Assistant voice. Firstly, go to Google app, then click More. Next, Settings and Google Assistant. Scroll down, go to Assistant Voice. Here you've got two voices to check.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.